yourself?
I am hardworking, organized, and I am responsible and I am willing to learn.
What position are you going to apply and why?
I want to apply as a hotel accountant because I want to use my accountant skills and gain experiences in the hotel industry.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is being detail-oriented, and my weakness is that I sometimes overthink, but I am improving my time management.
How do you deal with difficult customers since you're applying a hotel accountant manager?
So I stay calm, listen carefully, and try to solve the problem politely.
Okay. Then, what skills can you bring in our company?
I can bring accuracy, honesty, good communication, and receive accounting skills.
And why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am responsible, hardworking, and dedicated to doing my job well.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself improving my skills and growing in this company.
Okay, thank you. Are you Vince Florian P. Tabilino?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
I am responsible, every work, and hardworking.
Okay. And what position are you going to apply and why?
I want to gain experience in the hotel accountant and improve my skills while helping company and providing good service.
And what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are being organized, responsible, and hard work.
How do you deal with difficult customers?
Stay calm, listen carefully to their concern, or try to solve problem.
Why should we hire you? Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am hardworking, reliable, and committed to doing my job well.
And where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself gaining more experience, improve my skills, and growing in the hotel industry.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next applicant, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Go. Okay, so tell me about yourself.
I am the kind of person who puts effort into everything I do. I am organized, responsible, and willing to do tasks and finish it on time.
Okay, so what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is being organized and careful in handling financial records. My weaknesses is that sometimes double check my work many times to make sure everything is correct.
Okay, I see. So, how do you deal with difficult customers or clients?
I stay calm, listen carefully to their concerns, and explain the situation clearly while trying to solve the problem quickly.
Oh, okay. What about the skills you can bring to this company?
I bring 4 years of accounting experience, strong attention to detail, and good communication skills. I am also organized and can manage financial records accurately to help the company run smoothly.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I have 4 years of experience in accounting, and I am responsible, organized, and dedicated to keeping financial records accurate.
Okay, so where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years?
In 3 to 5 years, I see myself improving my accounting skills and becoming a more experienced and reliable accountant in the company.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next applicant, please.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Here's my resume.
Okay, so James Gibar.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about yourself.
I am a responsible and organized person with good leadership and communication skills.
Okay, so how do you deal with difficult customers or clients?
I listen carefully to their concerns, remain calm and respectful, and find the best possible solutions to satisfy them.
Okay, so what skills can you bring to this company?
I can bring leadership skills, strong communication, organization, teamwork, and the ability to manage events efficiently.
Okay, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am dedicated, organized, and committed to ensuring every event is successful and well managed.
Okay, where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years from now?
I see myself growing in the hospitality industry, gaining more experience, and becoming a more effective leader.
Okay, so you answered well. Okay, you can go now. We will just contact you for more details.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So based on the 4 applicants, who do you think that fits on the position of hotel accountant?
For hotel accountant, for hotel accountant, I think Apple is the best.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Because she's confident in answering and she was, I hear that she has a past experience.
Yes, 4 years exact.
Yeah, I think she has the potential to be easy to grow.
Yes.
And how about for the banquet manager?
For banquet manager, we only have 1 applicant. Well, to be fair, he's also very good.
Yeah,
He has some leadership skills and communication skills, which is important for that specific position.
yeah, we see how he confident answering the questions.
Yeah, that's right.
He has a communication skills, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so what's the name of the banquet manager?
Wait, it's on your...
Okay, James Guevara.
Yeah.